Mantra's Ohm token is up an astounding 2,100%. Sui is on the brink of testing new all-time highs, and Eigen Layer had a $5.5 million hack over the weekend, with market participants skeptical. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I posted a TA video on the channel yesterday, giving my analysis and price prediction for the week. In the video, I went into detail on my thoughts on how I would trade Bitcoin, Sol, and Sui this week. And if you guys like that video and want more, we'd be happy to do more of those each week on this channel. My goal is to be able to teach you how I trade with a simple strategy and give you practical setups that you can take not just on Bitcoin, but altcoins as well. And even if you're not into trading, you can at least see my price predictions for Bitcoin and altcoins in the short to midterm. Now, if this is something that you guys are interested in, we can do more TA videos each week on the channel and potentially even get a dedicated section for setups and TA in the Discord. So make sure to check out that video as well after this, which I'll link down below. Bitcoin bounces into a new week, attempting to set new October highs, but worries about market sustainability are everywhere. Bitcoin gained momentum into the weekly close, going to hit highs of $63,975. While encouraging on paper, Bitcoin price action nonetheless garnered more suspicion than support among traders as a result. The reason being was leverage. Increasing market bets were producing an inorganic price rally, apt to disappear in an instant. Analyst J.A. Martin, a contributor to on-chain analytics platform CryptoQuant, described the recent performance as the definition of a leverage-driven pump. This is also the exact area I said it would pump into in my TA video yesterday, and most likely retrace around New York Open today, as Sunday pumps are usually not sustainable. Now, this week of US macroeconomic data includes the September print of the Consumer Price Index and the Producer Price Index, along with jobless claims. After last week's surprising employment surge, analysts expect markets to treat CPI with particular interest, with a month to go until the Federal Reserve's next decision on interest rate changes. Data from CME Group's FedWatch tool currently sees the Fed cutting rates by 0.25% or 25 basis points on November 7th, a sharp contrast to market bets from just a week ago. Until the unemployment print last week, a larger 0.5% cut was a clear possibility, and this outcome is now wholly missing from the market expectations. The overnight Bitcoin price push towards $64,000 has at least turned October's monthly candle green again, and while still treading water, Bitcoin is nonetheless managing to attract some optimistic comments from the trading and analytics community. Among them is Trader Gel, who is eyeing a market transformation in time for the monthly close, delivering a classic Uptober in the process. He wrote Bitcoin is still following the same playbook as last year, months of chop coming to an end in October. Low for the month would be in, and the real fun about to start. Let's see. Mantra, one of the best performing altcoins in 2024, continued its strong rally, soaring to a 2-month high. Mantra jumped to $1.47 in the past 24 hours, and it's rallied by over 2,100% this year. There are likely 3 reasons for the ongoing price surge. First, Mantra has hinted that it will launch its mainnet this month, and while no date has been announced, it will likely happen on October 23rd during the Cosmos First event in Dubai. In most cases, crypto companies launch big projects when they're significant events. Mantra hopes that its mainnet will help it become the best network for developers in the real-world asset tokenization industry. Analysts believe the industry will promote fractional ownership of assets, increase liquidity, and boost transparency. Mantra's network will feature low transaction costs, a modular architecture, compliance and security features, and decentralization. As a Cosmos network, it will have access to the inter-blockchain communication protocol, facilitating asset transfers across blockchains. The second reason Mantra has soared is because of its staking rewards, which are some of the highest in the industry. It has a staking yield of 22.32%, while its staking ratio is about 50%. The staking ratio is an important metric that examines the proportion of tokens in circulation that have been staked. And the third reason is that Mantra's rally is also supported by its strong technicals. On the daily chart, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has been in a slow and steady rally since August when it bottomed at 36. The average directional index, a popular indicator that measures the strength of a trend, rose to 33. A trend is considered strong when it's moved above 25. On top of that, it has strong tokenomics, as almost all tokens are currently unlocked as well. Mantra is definitely a token to watch this month, especially going into October 23rd's potential mainnet launch. The Sui token has experienced a significant price surge, climbing by 167% over the past 30 days to reach $1.99 today. This marks a 6-month high for the token, which is now trading just 12% below its all-time high of $2.18, set on March 27th. The recent rally has outpaced the broader cryptocurrency market, with Sui emerging as the second highest gainer among the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. A key driver behind Sui's explosive growth has been the rapid expansion of meme coins within its blockchain ecosystem. The total market cap of Sui-based meme coins reached $256 million on October 4th, representing a 15% increase over the past 24 days. The meme coin trend is not unique to Sui, as similar activities have been observed on other blockchains like Solana, Base, and the Open Network. But beyond the meme coin frenzy, the Sui network has experienced significant growth across multiple metrics. Transaction volume on the Sui blockchain has increased by 661%, jumping from $26.1 million on September 4th to $198 million on October 3rd. The overall number of transactions on the Sui network also saw a substantial increase, and according to SuiScan, more than 16.7 million additional transactions occurred within the last 24 hours. This surge in activity suggests growing user interest and engagement within the Sui ecosystem. On top of that, the total value locked, or TVL, on the Sui network rose by 63% to $1 billion by October 4th, up from $620 million a month earlier. Ethereum restaking protocol Eigen Layer claims that unauthorized selling activity associated with an investor wallet was a result of an isolated hacking event. On Friday, the Eigen Layer team notified the community that it was investigating the unapproved selling activity associated with one particular wallet address, which sold over 1.6 million Eigen tokens. They later updated saying, in an isolated incident this morning, an email thread involving one investor's transfer of tokens into custody was compromised by a malicious hacker. As a result, 1.6 million Eigen tokens were erroneously transferred to the attacker's address. The attacker sold these stolen Eigen tokens via decentralized swap platform and transferred stablecoins to centralized exchanges. We're in contact with these platforms and law enforcement. A portion of the funds have already been frozen. Look on Chain flagged the transaction in question, with the wallet executing the sale via MetaMask swap feature. Based on the timing of the token sale, the attacker would have netted around $5.5 million. Some members of the crypto community remain skeptical of the team's explanation, questioning why these tokens were sent directly to investors without a vesting contract, especially considering they were supposed to be under a lockup period. Pandora CEO Andreas Pensold wrote, "The Eigen incident is a prime example of social engineering. The team sent the tokens to an impersonator who claimed to be an investor. They even sent a test transaction to the scammer from the multisig first. We trust Web3 to eliminate human error with smart contracts, but many projects still rely on manual handling of token vesting. We need to stop this ASAP." The price of Eigen fell to a low $3.08 over the weekend, but rebounded by 11.5% in the last 24 hours, and is trading at $3.50 at the time of writing. The token debuted with a fully diluted value of $7.2 billion that's since fallen to $5.8 billion.